My name is Muhammad Kamal Ibrahim, and my student ID is 23040700030. Today, I would like to retell the story about the fact and the unknown goddess. First, I would like to tell the story, the fact. This story is about a journalist who tried to collect accurate information for his article. The main character are the journalist, the editor, and the police. The story takes place at the president and in President Palace and in prison. At the beginning of the story, journalist want to write an article about the President Palace in African Republic. He wanted his article to be accurate, so he worked hard, collect important facts, and one day he even count the step around the palace wall. Then he sent several telegrams to his editor because he needed more information. Unfortunately, the editor did not reply to him. The journalist continued his investigation and finally discovered that there were 1,462 steps around the palace wall. However, the police thought his action was suspicious, so they arrested him and sent him to prison. A week later, the editor finally received the journalist's last telegram and realized that the journalist had been imprisoned while collecting information for his article. From this story, we can learn that hard work and dedication are important. However, we should also be careful and understand the situation around us so that our action not misunderstood. Now, I would like to continue with the second story, entitled The Unknown Goddess. This story is about the discovery of an ancient statue of the mysterious goddess. The main characters are the archaeologist and the unknown goddess. The story takes place at the archaeological site and later in the museum. At the beginning of the story, archaeologists discovered an ancient statue. During excavation, they become curious because no one knows the identity of the goddess. Then they carefully examine the statue and study the history. Many people become interested in the discovery because the statue was beautiful and mysterious. Even after careful research, the archaeologists could not identify the who is goddess was. In the end of the statue was displayed in the museum so that many visitors could admire it, although the identity of the goddess remained unknown. The discovery became an important part of the story and archaeologically. From this story, we can learn that history is very valuable and should always be preserved. We should appreciate historical objects because they help us understand the past. Personally, I think both stories are very interesting. The fact teach us the importance of dedication and being careful in our action. Well, the unknown goddess story reminds us to appreciate history, the preserve history object for the future generation. That's all for my little story. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.